Say good. This marker is not. Go and bring another marker that is working because today is what? Start it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm the one that is teaching them. Say a sheet of paper, please.
Sir, we don't even know your name, your subject. We are just meeting you for the first time.
Good day, students. Good day, you will be your new math teacher.
I'm not here speaking loud.
I mean, yeah. Sit down. You don't know me. You will know me. Okay, my name is Mr. Aproku. What did I say?
Mr. Aproku.
What did I say?
Mr. Aproku.
And I will be teaching you mathematics. What did I say?
Mathematics.
I will be teaching you mathematics, and my goal here is to make sure you graduate in flying colors. What did I say?
Graduate in flying colors.
Yes, I will make sure you go outside and become human beings in life. Today we'll be teaching you this equation: 3x 3 square times 3 square is equals to what?
9.
Correct. A round of applause for you.
The answer is 16.
16x. A round of applause for you.
No, sir. The answer is 81.
81. A round of applause for you. So moving on.
I don't understand. You said 9, 16, 81. Which is the correct answer?
You don't understand what?
Like, you just gave us 3 answers.
I gave you 3 answers.
Yes, sir.
I gave you 3 people's opinion. Now, what did you say is your own answer?
9.
What is your own answer?
81.
What's the answer?
The answer is 16.
And so what do you want me to do?
Which is correct.
What is your favorite food?
Rice.
What is your favorite food?
Beans.
What's your favorite food?
Yam and egg.
You dey hear am? This one like yam and egg, this one like yam, this one like beans. That is how life is. So everybody does not have to think alike. You are unique. Motivational speakers say you are unique. The you in you is greater than the you in Uruma. So difference is actually very, very important in life. You have to stand out. Do you get? His answer is standing out from my answer. Answer is standing out from my answer. You understand? No, man. So second equation goes like this. If 3x is raised to power 9, 2 times 4x raised to power 2, what is the value of x?
X is 3.
X is 3. X is a round of applause for him.
Sir.
Moving on.
Sir, how do we arrive at 3?
You say?
How do we arrive at 3?
How we arrive at 3?
Yes, sir.
You know here when he say x is 3. We arrive at 3 because he said x is 3. I don't understand. If you are going to somewhere you don't know, what do?
Ask questions.
You ask questions. What do?
They give you direction.
And when they give you direction, you what? You do what? Good. So have you seen how we arrive at our destination, which is 3? We ask So when I ask what is the value of x, what did he say?
It is smoking.
3. Then that is how we arrive at 3. Any question? Any question? All right, no question. We move on to the next topic. The next topic is what? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle.
Man! Our answer is raised up.
You say?
Our answer is
Any question? Any question? No question. Moving on to the next right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. You said what?
Raise our answer.
Okay, you raise your hand. Yes. In your house, if your mother asks you, have you eaten? What do? You raise up your hand, have you? If your mommy asks you, what will you eat? You will do like this. If they ask you, will you marry me? You do like this. You are playing with grace. Any question?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir.
Ask your question. A round of applause for him. That's a very good question. So right angle triangle. Right angle triangle.
Sir, you don't answer my question, sir.
You said
You
what?
don't answer my question. You said if 3x is equals to 4.
Correct. A round of applause for him. Yeah! Give him a round of applause.
He shock you.
Right angle triangle. So 4 raised to power 2 is equals to 8 raised to power 3. Find the value of 3 raised to power 9. What's the problem?
Sir, you don't answer my question.
What
now.
is your question?
From the question on the board, you said
Yeah.
if 3x is equals to 4,
Yes.
then what's the value of x if 3x squared is equals to 6?
Yes. Is that what I said?
Sir,
Okay, that's your question. Okay, that's your question.
Yes,
okay, but what I wrote is on the board. If 3x squared times 4x squared is equals to what? This man said is 3. So what is your question?
Sir, if 3x is equals to 4,
Yes.
then what's the value of x if 3x squared is equals to 6?
Okay, if 3x is equals to, what is the value of x if 3x squared is equals to
6.
If it's squared is equal to 6. Yes. So the next topic we are teaching today is quadratic equation. Take a sheet of paper, everybody. Oh. Take a sheet of paper. So what is that your question again?
Sir, if 3x
If 3x
is equals to 4,
is equals to 4,
so what's the value of x?
what is the value of
X if 3x squared is equals to 6? What's the value of x
of x
if 3x squared
is equals to 6? You have 10 minutes, 10 marks. You're mad.
Ah, est-ce que les bébés, si on est bébé?